The trailer of this movie was very good, very very interesting. Well, I'm talking about Khuda Hafiz, which was released today, 14th August, on Disney Hotstar at 7:30 p.m. Well, let's get to the plot of the movie. The movie is about a guy, Vidyut Jamwal, he's got into an arranged marriage with this girl, Shivlika Oberoi, and they get married. And suddenly, due to the recession in 2008, both of them lose their jobs. Now, suddenly they decide to migrate to Noman. There's a place called Noman in the movie. That's somewhere in the Middle East, which is shown in the movie. And unfortunately, only one person's visa comes, and that is Shivlika Oberoi's. So Vidyut tells her that you can go ahead, I'll be joining you later. Now, what happens over there is that she goes missing. So he gets a call one fine day where he comes to know that his wife is not completely okay in Noman. So he then goes to Noman, and then the journey begins, and then he tries to find out where his wife is, what all has happened with her, is the whole movie about. Well, coming to performances, I would like to say Vidyut Jamwal, he's acted very well this time. We have very few action scenes of him. Over here, he's shown the guy who's very, very scared because his wife is missing, So that is the kind of emotions he's shown in the movie. Very well acted by Vidyut Jamwal. Then we have Shivalika Oberoi, well, Ye Sali Ashiki, what a performance by her. And over here, she's not given much of a role. Hardly 4 to 5 dialogues, I would say. Basically, she's missing from the movie. I was expecting a lot from her in this movie, but unfortunately, not much of a role given to her. Annu Kapoor. Well, Annu Kapoor, I think, is the new person who's somewhat like what we used to see Pran as in the movie Zanjeer. So he's this guy who helps Vidyut Jamwal find his wife. A very well performed role by Annu Kapoor. Anna Kumra. Anna Kumra of late is really making me very, very fond of her. She had done a wonderful performance in the past movies also. Unfortunately, in this movie also, she has got a good role, but her accent is a bit of an issue, I would say. Then we have Shiv Pandit, who plays the cop along with Anna Kumra. He too has acted quite well. He has got a bit of negative shades, but later on he turns out to be good. Well, now coming to the conclusion of the film, I would like to say that the movie is good, but I felt in the second half the movie gets a bit slow, wherein you will start feeling that you would want to see more of it, but unfortunately that is not the case. The music is by Amar Mohile and Mithun. I was very, very disappointed. Songs are horrible. Trust me, songs are absolutely horrible. Then we have, these kind of movies are made in the past. You must have seen Bagi 3. Very similar to Bagi 3, but I still feel that these movies are made in the past, but this is not a bad one, I would say. It's nothing new, there's no novelty to it, but yes, the movie is not that bad. It is very, very interesting. It's not slow. I mean, it's slow in parts, as I said, in the second half, but otherwise, it's a very good watch. And one question, this place called Noman, I even googled it. I think they have made Oman Noman, but Noman is shown as an island in Saudi Arabia. I'm not too sure about it. I was just googling when I, was watching the movie. So I just found this to be an island in Saudi Arabia. So overall, my rating would be 3.5 stars out of 5. You can watch this movie currently streaming on Disney Hotstar. Till then, guys, hope to see you soon. Take care of yourselves and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.